Hey folks, Vala here. Today I'll show you how to get unlimited cash in Euro Truck Simulator 2. Let's open Euro Truck Simulator 2. Now, launch Cheat Engine and select Euro Truck Simulator 2. Enter your current money amount. Hit New Scan. Click First Scan. Wait a bit. After scanning, spend or earn some cash. Let's use the bank. I've got a loan. Click Repay then. Yes. Now I've got 14,147 left. Back to Cheat Engine, enter 14,147. There. Now hit Next Scan. Select this currency. Click Change Value. Let's put in 1,000,000. Or 100 grand. Now we've got 100,000. See? You can go even higher if you want. That's all, folks. This was Vala. Catch you later.